Okay, Foweloe, I'm going to open the door. I don't want you going outside, okay? Stay. Okay. I've got my cat, Foweloe, in my arms. It's 2:45 in the morning and it's raining ice. Cat is checking out the phone. Okay, I have the cat in my arms. See the street? The street is icy white. The tree has ice all over it. The rain is a mixture of that point where rain turns into ice as soon as it hits a surface. There's going to be power outages, I imagine, very soon. Because the telephone lines, electrical lines are going to be so weighed down Oh, and look, the phone is getting cold. It's getting out of focus. Electrical lines are going to be so weighed down by all that ice, there's going to be power outages. I certainly hope not, but I have prepared myself for such an emergency. Like Foghorn Leghorn said, all of his feathers are numbered. Well, so are mine. So, I thought I'd get this on video. Hopefully it warms up later and this ice melts. But look at the street. See, that street looks like it's brand new, doesn't it? Well, no, that's ice. So I closed the screen door again. Yeah. So that my daughter's cat doesn't run outside, because he will. He'll run outside and he'll jump through those slats on the deck there and he'll run right out into the grass. And off he goes. And then I'll have to run out there and get him. I don't want to do that. The weather is too bad for that. Although he has done it before. He ran right out there, jumped, and it's about, I'd say it's about at the lowest point, it's probably a good 5 feet. That's not too much for a cat. Right over here. Of course, he doesn't go over here. Over here on this deck, it's kind of hard. Sorry about this, the screen. You might not be able to see it here in the video shot. The screen is kind of getting in the way. It's hard to see. But of course, if I open the screen, then the Foweloe, the cat, will run out there. So you're going to have to bear with me. It's probably a good 18 feet at this point and 5 feet at this point. So about 3 years ago, Foweloe the cat actually did run out there, jumped down, and whoo, he made a beeline right for the trees. So what did I have to do? I had to run. I didn't go out this way, of course, because I'm not as agile as a cat. I'm not going to jump over the railing and out, because then I might break my leg. I had to run out the front door, and in so doing so, I slipped on the carpet in my living room and gave myself a rug burn that hurt so bad, but I didn't care. I got up anyway, opened up my front door outside. My shirt wound up getting caught on my door handle, because my door handle is like got a hook on it. It's not one of those regular round door handles of a door. My shirt, like kind of like a shirt over my shirt, my flannel shirt, the kind of like what this is right here, what I'm wearing. We just back the camera up. This kind of like a shirt like this, where it's got the button at the cuff. Yeah, he wants me to open the door. Well, anyway, it got caught on the door handle and ripped. It wouldn't let me go, but I was in such fight or flight mode to catch my daughter's cat from running away and never seeing him again that I had to actually pull forward through it and actually ripped my shirt and that fast and without even flinching. Normally, in a normal instance, I probably would have stopped. I wouldn't have been able to pull hard enough because my shirt would have been caught on the door handle and I'd have been like not able to move. But I just kept going like through a knife through butter. Ran outside, ran around. As you can imagine, I'm like out here by that tree running. And I catch Foweloe the cat probably about a good 20 feet that way. And he stopped because he just kind of crunched down because he's like, "What's up?" And then I picked him up kind of softly and gradually and carried him back into the house. But that rug burn on my thigh after slipping on the floor hurt for probably a good 6 months.